Eat 3 tablespoons a day. Your hair will grow like crazy, and you'll have eagle eyesight. For those people that experience hair loss, the use of expensive and harsh products and treatments is an everyday problem. Hair loss is actually a condition which affects a lot of people around the whole world, and it is usually associated with aging and heredity. Moreover, hair loss can be triggered by iron deficiency, biotin deficiency, syphilis, skin diseases, autoimmune disorders, chemotherapy and some other radiation treatments, as well as hormonal imbalances. On the other hand, as the years pass, people can also experience vision problems. Although this one is a condition which is common for older people, it can also occur in young people. It is one devastating condition which can be treated, as well as prevented with the use of some natural remedies. And what about treating hair loss and vision problems by using only one natural remedy? Yes, this is possible, because the following natural remedy will stop hair loss, promote hair growth, and improve your eyesight. It can also reverse gray hair. You will be amazed by this natural remedy, as it has great powers. Needed ingredients: 200 grams of flaxseed oil, 4 lemons, 1 kilogram of honey, 3 small garlic cloves. Instructions: first of all, you should peel the garlic and blend it in a blender, together with the lemons, until you get a homogeneous mixture. After that, add the flaxseed oil, as well as the honey in the mixture and mix once again. When the mixture is ready, transfer it into a jar and store it in the fridge. 30 minutes before every meal, consume 1 tablespoon of the mixture. So, you will need to consume 3 tablespoons of the mixture in a day, before meals. And remember to use a wooden spoon. Benefits of flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is a natural source of omega-3 fats, which nourish the hair follicles and encourage growth. This oil prevents inflammation, helps to stave off hair loss, dandruff, and other hair and scalp conditions. It has been proved that, when a human body lacks linoleic acid, it will take longer for a retina to recover from reflecting reaction, and the eyesight will turn bad. Flaxseed oil is full with linoleic acid. Therefore, it is great for improving the human vision. It also helps about losing weight and blood fat. What's more, it contains plenty of dietary fiber, which can improve our vision. Benefits of garlic. Garlic is extremely beneficial for hair loss. Topical application of garlic can promote hair growth, reduce bald patches. Moreover, it contains sulfur and selenium, which help fortify the structure of the hair shaft and strengthen the hair.